Hey guys, what is going on? This is Addison with LeSueur Car Company. Right now we're in the 2021 Volkswagen Id.4, and I'm going to show you a feature that we actually showed on our Instagram and Facebook called Air Care. Let's get right to it. So there are a few ways of getting to this part of that section of the vehicle. So basically you can click right here and you can go to Air Care from that part, or if you want to take a different route, you go to Climate, there's a Climate button, you can get to Air Care from there. So basically what you do is you actually just press this button and it'll start cleaning up the air. But the cool thing about this, and it actually explains it right here, it says activate this function to filter fine dust particles and pollen out of the vehicle interior air. So basically, how is this applicable? Well, in Arizona, there's a lot of dust. There's a ton of dust in the air all the time. And what's super cool about this car is it actually cleans that out. And it makes it so much easier for you to drive because you're not like watering your eyes like all the time, or you're just having a rough time sneezing. I've been there, I felt it. It's not fun. But this car really takes care of that. And it makes it just that much easier to drive your car from here to other places, from your house to the shop. But basically, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little feature, and if you guys have any questions, there's a link to our website below. And we'll see you guys in the next video. See ya!